So sometimes you have either a song or a narration that you want to play in the background, and I'm pulling in a song, not a narration. But you want it playing in the background, but you don't necessarily want to get rid of all of the sound from your clips, because maybe there were some effects in there that were important. So what I'm doing is I am stretching, resizing the audio clip or audio track so that I can see this line here. Okay, and it shows me the waveform of the clips. So if I click on the audio clip, I can come up here to my effect controls, and you can see how they're broken down into video and audio. So with audio, if I expand the little volume part here, we have level. Okay. I also have, if I look at the line on here, notice that I can drag it down, which is decreasing the volume of it. So it's going a negative. Okay. So if you know, like if you knew what you wanted it to be, you could just drag it down. You wouldn't want it completely silent, but you could drag it down there to figure that out. But maybe you have a part that you don't want necessarily very silent, but you want it to fade in and fade out. Well, that's where we use keyframes. So I'm going to expand my timeline so I can make sure that my playhead is at the beginning of this second clip. And I'm going to click this button here, which is, when I roll over it, it says it's toggle animation. I am basically setting, oops, I set it on the wrong clip though. Let me do that again. There, now I set it. And if I want it to be, that is 1823, so let's say 1923, 1 second later, I want it to be fully heard. So now here I can add another keyframe. Oops, I did the wrong one again. Not bypass. Let me try that again. I meant level. Level, there. And then 1923. And then I can add a keyframe, and you can see it here. You can also see it down here. There's little dots. So I can drag that dot down to the bottom, and then that fades in. And then I could do it the same thing at the end. 3408, I can add a keyframe, and then 33. Oh, well, it's not going to let me get there easily. 09, and then there's 2 keyframes, and then I can fade out at the end. And then that would allow me to put my narration or my song on the clip or on the track below it to be heard there. Now, if your narration or your song is too long for your clips, obviously if it's a song, you can simply also maybe fade out this one, but you can cut using the razor just like you did on other things on your video clips.